Hope your weekend is going well. I'm meteorologist Matt Gray. Wow, what a day. And we kind of saw this coming, but man, it's still crazy when you see it. Record heat here on November 28th. I'll show you here. These are the high temperatures we have hit on Sunday, and where we've underlined is where we've had records either tied or broken. These are just the ones we know about. I'm sure we'll get some more from the National Weather Service as we head deeper into Sunday evening. But a record-setting day of warm temperatures across the inland Northwest and really the Pacific Northwest as a whole as we continue to be in this warm and wet pattern. In fact, they're seeing quite a bit of flooding in northeast Washington from the rain there. So something that's very unfortunate as we continue to see these series of atmospheric rivers bringing in that warm and wet conditions. We're going to see more rain develop around the area as we head through tonight. It'll be a wet start in many areas on Monday. Not for everyone, though. I'll show you where. Cloudy and warm through the week, but we finally start to cool off a little bit, get back towards what we would normally expect late November, early December temperature-wise as we go into next weekend. So you can see with our moisture content in the atmosphere, there's that atmospheric river. It is going to start to sag to the south here as we head into tonight, and so it's actually going to be more so over the Portland area rather than Seattle and into BC where they've had all the flooding. And so some of that moisture is going to ride up the Columbia River, go right through the Tri-Cities, and then across the Palouse and into central Idaho, north central Idaho. So that's where we're going to see the rain actually focus as we get our week started before it finally starts to fade away, but then another one's going to come in right behind that. The impacts of this look to be a little bit less. It's mostly going to be a coastal problem, but we're still going to be very cloudy, and our rain chances are going to be low, but not zero as we go through the week with all of that moisture just sitting on the other side of the Cascade. So kind of watch what happens here as this moisture starts to go back to the south. As we head towards late Sunday night, I am expecting places like Coeur d'Alene and Spokane to start seeing a little bit of rain, stretching down I-90 to around Ritzville. But really it's going to be the Tri-Cities, the Palouse, the LC Valley, and into the Camas Prairie that'll have the best chance of getting some rain as we head through the overnight and into early Monday. Do expect some rain on the Monday morning commute just because of how kind of the, there is always a little bit of error when you talk about these forecasts and where the rain gets distributed. Rain could be as far north as Sandpoint, but places like Bonners Ferry into the northeast mountains like Colville, Republic, and into the Okanagan, not expecting much of anything. So there is a plus there after a wet couple of days in that part of our area. By the time we get to lunchtime, though, that rain starts to move out. By the time we get to, say, 2, 3 in the afternoon, everybody should dry out, and then we're going to be on the dry side of things for the rest of the week with just really scattered showers. Not going to be as warm for Monday. Still, though, expecting Spokane to get up to around 50 degrees, and we'll see a lot of 50s on the board elsewhere, or upper 40s. We're going to be really, really close either way. We're going to have a chance to get just about as warm as we were on Sunday on Wednesday, and then finally we really start to cool off. It's going to be much more like it should feel this time of the year as we go into next weekend. The computer models are hinting at perhaps the weather getting a little bit more active by the end of the weekend, maybe Saturday night, a couple of showers. It could be a mix of rain and snow, depending on elevation, and maybe Sunday night into Monday a storm starts to move in, but there's a lot of time for that to change. So can't say anything concrete, but just want to let you know that at least there seems to be hints that the pattern may be changing back towards a more active one and a cooler one as we head to the end of next weekend. So that is your week. You can break out the shorts and definitely want to keep the raincoat handy, even though our rain chances are going to be on the lower side than they were the past few days. Have a great rest of your weekend. We'll talk to you again soon.